Good morning, all of you. Myself Dhamin sir, and you're the most welcoming once again in English class. Student, as you know that we were discussing about the chapter, the open window. It is a chapter which is depend on the psychology of a man who was seriously ill with a nervous breakdown, and he want to take a proper cure. So one of his sisters said to him to send a village or a country where he could get a good cure for his mental distress. And when he reached at that home, there first he met a girl of 9. The name of that girl is Vera. Vera is a witty girl, and she had a very peculiar quality to weave the stories, and that story was possessed. That means she is a master to weave a possessed story and as quick as possible. So when Mr. Frampton visit to her house and he didn't found the lady or the owner of that house, that means the Mrs. Stapleton, he talked to that lady. Lady, that means what? Vera. He talked to Vera, and Vera said to him that what happened 3 years ago, and it was not a thing that can be expressed in simply. That means it was a scene, or it was a story which made a person worry and horror. So what she said to the Mr. Frampton, let's we discuss. And I have discussed the ever paragraph from here, and today we will discuss from these paragraphs. Okay, student, let's start. Only her name and address admitted the caller. Caller representing his letter, which is given by his sister, and admitted that only her name is mentioned here. He was wondering whether Mrs. Stapleton was in the married or widow state, and he also a curiosity that he want to know that what is the real condition or the social condition of Mrs. Stapleton. That means she was married or she was widowed. An undefinable something about the room seemed to be suggested masculine habitation, and the rooms express that it is a habitation which have the sense of masculine. Now, next, her great tragedy happened just 3 years ago, said the child. Then the child means the Vera explained to him that her great tragedy happened just 3 years ago. That would be the since your sister time. That means he said a story, and that story plotted before 3 years. And she also concluded that it may be that it was a time of your sisters. And it is a tragedy that is happened with the Stapleton's family. Her tragedy, asked Frampton. Then when Mr. Frampton hear about the what tragedy, that he become curious and asked her tragedy. Somehow in this restful country, what tragedy seemed out of place. That means what kinds of tragedy can be happen in such kinds of a peaceful country? It's strange. What tragedy happened with her? You may wonder why we keep that window open on an October afternoon, said the niece. Then the Veda explained to the Frampton that if I opened the secret that why the window is wide open, keep on wide open since the October afternoon. When you hear, you will be surprised. You wonder that why it is happened, why the window is open, indicating large fence, the French window that wide open on the lawn, and she also indicated toward the windows which was wide open, and it was a French and a large window that was open toward the lawn, and she also pointed toward the lawn side. It is a quite warm for the time of the year, sad Frompton. Frompton, sad in agreeable form that, yeah, it's a very quite warm time, the afternoon of October. But has that window got anything do with the tragedy? And also, we want to know that what the resemblance between the open window and her tragedy. That means he also wants to know that what is the tragedy happened with her, and he has a curiosity to know about the tragedy. What happened with Mrs. Stapleton? Out through that window 3 years ago to a day, her husband and her 2 young brothers went off for their day's shooting. Then the niece replied and tried to decrease or less the curiosity of the mind of Mrs. Stapleton that through this window 3 years ago, the husband of Mrs. Stapleton and two of her 2 young brother went off for day's shooting, and once they went, never be again. They never come back, and once they had left the house, they never come again to the house. That means एक बार जो वो घर से निकल गए फिर वापस नहीं आए. In crossing the moor to their favorite shooting ground, they were all three engulfed in a treacherous piece of bog. That means, in crossing the moor, that means crossing the moor. Moor here means the grassland, open wide area of grassland. That means crossing the grassland, they reached to their favorite shooting ground, and they were all engulfed in the treacherous piece of bog, and they were all engulfed by the treacherous bog. Bog means what? Wet spongy ground may sink into. That means it is believed that they have been sinked into the marsh, into the wetland, which is formed middle the grassland. It has been that dreadful wet summer, and it was a very dreadful wet summer. You know, the place that were safe in other years gave way suddenly without warming. And you know, she also want to take a response toward the Mr. Fromson's side that you know that the ways that will be safer in other time, it will become dangerous in the October time. And place that was safe in other years gave way suddenly without warming. Their bodies were never recovered. And when somebody tried to find their bodies, they didn't got the body of them. That means it is supposed that they were dead. That was the dreadful part of it, and it was a dreadful part of the life. Here the child's voice lost its self-possessed note and became falteringly. That means faltered voice exactly, hesitatingly, haltingly. That means when Vera was explaining the story, what happened with the Mrs. Stapleton's husband and her 2 brothers, his voice seems to be possessed and faltering. That means he was saying hesitatingly that she want to make the story as live, that it happened really, and what she want to express by hesitatingly. That means it is a curious story. What happened with them? They never never returned back. That means वो अपने शब्दों से इस तरह से हिचकिचा के बोल रही है जैसे लग रहा है कि वो पोजेस्ड है और ये सारी चीज़ें बिल्कुल अभी उसके साथ अभी हुई हो. these things happened. These things shows that how witty and how a weaver of stories he was. Human. Poor aunt always thinks that they will come back someday. So since then, the poor aunt think that they will definitely comes one day or later, and that's why they keep on the window wide open in all the season. They and the little brown spaniel that was lost with them, and the spaniel, the dog of Mrs. Stapleton, will also come one day with them. She believes, उनको विश्वास है कि वो भी एक दिन वापस आ ही जाएगा. Walk in that window just they used to do, and they will definitely come with this window because they used to exit and enter from these windows. That's why this window is keep on wide open in all the seasons. That is why the window is kept open every evening till it is quite dusk. Poor dear aunt, she has often told me they went out. Poor aunt always tell me that she went out from this window, her husband and his white waterproof coat over his arm. That means always aunt said to him that they will come from this window to taking his white coat in his arm with his with her two brother and spaniel, and they will use to keep inside or enter from this window. That's why it is kept it was kept wide open in the all evening. And Ronnie, her youngest brother, singing Bertie. That means, and Ronnie, her youngest brother, will be definitely enter in singing a ballin. Bertie. Bertie here means a song. Bertie here means what? A song. It is indicating that it was a favorite song of Ronnie, and Ronnie will come by singing this song. Why do you bound, Bertie? Why do you bound, Bertie? Why do you bound? As he always did to tease her. And this is the word by he used to tease Mrs. Stapleton because she said got on her nerves. Do you know something on is still quite evening like this? I almost get a creepy feeling that they will all walk in through that window. And she also said to Mr. Stapleton that, always I feels that they are coming from this window to taking their coats in hand, and that's why, so that she made this story very live. And hearing this story, Mrs. Stapleton's illness become more worse and he become gloomy. So student, this is the first part, and this I think you got the plot and you would have got the sense of this story, because this story relate to the psychology of a person who made appearance in front of a girl that he was in pretend mood. He was in pretend mood. So a girl make a treachery with him, and what happened we will discuss in the next part of the story. So student, try to write the answer of the given comprehension check, and when you got any kinds of problem you can ask me. I will definitely help you. Okay, thank you.